Hi, let me show you how to add a legacy contact on iPhone. For that, open Settings and choose your Apple account on the top of the page. Now, if your phone is running on iOS 16, then here choose option Privacy and Security. If it's running on iOS 17 and newer, then pick Sign In and Security. After that, scroll all the way down and you will see this option Legacy Contact. By tapping it, we can set it up. So this means that we can choose someone we trust to add as a legacy contact. This person will be able to access the data stored in your account after your death. You can share your access key and pass down your digital legacy. If you are willing to do this, then tap Add Legacy Contact, scan Face ID, and choose a person from your contacts list. So let me just find it and select the number. So if the contact you selected is an iPhone user, then you will be prompted to send an invitation via text message. Make sure the contact receives the message. Also, it's always a good idea to back up the invitation. So select the print code option. And it is recommended that you use both methods of transfer: a text message for contacts who have iPhones and a printed code for reliability. This will ensure that the contact is backed up in case either option fails. So make sure to select an option. And now let me answer frequently asked questions. A trusted person cannot access your data while you are alive. A trusted person will need to provide a death certificate and ID to verify ownership of your Apple ID account. Without a pre-appointed proxy, access is only possible through court authorization. You can appoint up to 5 proxies. Data to transfer includes everything stored in iCloud Drive, messages, documents, photos, contacts, and calendars. Exceptions are keychain data, purchases, and payment methods. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.